It's good to be back being my normal self. It looked like the mini one's fine, but totally what the? Mater? Yes, buddy? What did you just did? Oh, I'm making my race again! What? Didn't you have a race like the mini race? Like your dream since you want to be a racer and... What? Hi, Lightning. We're settling up position. Hey, Lightning McQueen! It looks so smooth on this road. I can't believe I'm winning for the Tex Dynaco. Oh wait, that's what my name is. Seriously, we just need to have a tow truck race with you guys? I am curious. Oh, I don't know about this, but this looks ridiculous. Why is there Scarla here? I don't know. I'm a War Grand Prix racer. I don't know. I understand why I'm here. And Mater said I'm gonna race after I'm good as a position car. And don't forget about me, Lightning McQueen. Oh no, it's Jackson Storm. What do you want? Well, Lightning, I believe that Jackson Storm will be in the race because Mater said Guido and I had to bring up Flo and Ramon. Pit stop. Anyways, I'm going to get to my position. Well, buddy, let's do it. Mater, but you're just Mater. Well, I could do sort of things like this. Oh, I didn't even meant to do that. But anyways, we got a race. Alright, if you say so. What are you staring at? He said that we had to race. Are you kidding me? Mater's crazy. I gotta ask Mater why he's doing this. Oh, come on, Guido, I'm scared. Pit stop. Guido, position now! Well, hello everyone. Welcome to Mater's Racing 200. I'm with your host, whoever this guy is. I don't know what I'm doing here. Get out of here. This is just a race. Okay. Anyways, this is just only me. And today we're going to see the racers. We have the number one. I don't know who he is. Carla Veloso, Jay, Chikix, Flo, Tex Dynaco, Chase Raceland, Ramon. Oh my god, how many racers are there? Even Daryl Contrin is racing. I know, I can't believe this. Pit stop. I hope you guys go fine on the race. Mater and my boy Lightning McQueen. I really wanted to see how it went. And we have the yellow card, Luigi. And lastly but not least, Guido. Pit stop. Alright, racers. On your mark, get set, go. Wait a minute, Sheriff. One question. What's the trophy? The trophy, eh? Whoever wins this race, the trophy will be a helmet. Well, this is what my job is supposed to be. But right now, I'm just going to hang out watching. And look at these racers go. Then your face, Carla Veloso. Mater, why are you moving backwards? Rear mirror windows, I guess. Oh, well, at least you taught me to do this. But you don't have mirrors, Lightning! Wait, what? Whoa! Whoa! Looks like Lightning McQueen is trying to race. What the? Luigi! Don't hurt me, guys! Hey, we're not gonna hurt you. It's just a race. Pit stop. I don't understand why it called Mater 200. Or you should read the sign over there. It says Tow truck 200. What? That's ridiculous. I'm not supposed to be last one. Ladies goes last. Opposite. Oh my god. I never know that you could race. I never race like this. I always try to put next gens and veterans in old rookies' positions. And now I'm just gonna race. Whoa! Oh my god, that was a very looked like not like Doc Hudson did, but it was very amazing what you had done. What the Mater? I'm in your big coats. Whoa! What the? Whoa! Oh! Oh! Incoming! Whoa! Oh! Oh! What was that about? Oh! Oh! Well, I found the elimination. Tractor, Chickix, and Jackson Store. Wait, no time for illumination. Hey, get back here. I'm not gonna finish with you. Oh yeah? You never heard the music of mine? Hit it, Luigi and Guido. What the? I cannot be left behind. I gotta keep going. Woo! What the? Hey, when does Tractors does a race? I don't understand. I don't understand. How could Mater possibly do that? Well, I don't know, because maybe Mater is hanging out with his gang. Never. What the? Woo! What is that tractor doing my way? What the? A tractor? Hey, tractors don't race. I race. What the? Mater! I'm winning, so. Eat stop. I can't believe their band is still there. When did they label a band again? I gotta keep racing. Oh yeah? Dynko's all mine. Oh no, not a... What the? What the? This is it. This is my victory for me. Oh no! Whoa! Lightning flies! Wait, when does light cars can fly? Whoa! I squash it! Oh! Hey, watch my feet! Oh man, we're losing! I will never want to see that thing again. A lot of you guys are singing. Oh yeah, we're singing our own career. Oh yeah. Oh man, that music, it makes me look like it's so stylish. I know, it looks so amazing. Thank you so much. Beach stop. Oh man, we're almost finishing the race. We're getting close. Oh boy, we're getting so close, folks. And definitely we're gonna see who's the winner of this helmet. And they're coming this way. Woody, this is my helmet. Why are we racing with a helmet? I haven't thought of that question yet. Me neither. I don't know. Whoever wins gets the helmet. We gotta keep going, Quito. We're almost there to the finish line. Oh yeah, I can do anything like this. Oh! Owie! Flo! Oh no! I'm gonna win this for you, Flo! Oh look, Ramon's getting up! Oh no! I had to do something! But what? Oh yeah! What the? Beat stop! Oh! Oh my god, what is this? Oh! Oh no! Oh no! My band! No! I'm not going without him. Oh! Oh my god, Mater! And the winner is... Oh! 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 We have a winner, folks! It's Luigi! Oh my god, I won! Oh man, Luigi! You just literally scared me with the crash! Well, folks, Luigi won the helmets! I cannot even see anything. Can you, Lightning? I don't know, but I wonder what happened to the others. Mater, why do you ran into me? I'm sorry, but I was going to win! I was getting distracted because of Guido. Well, my dead gum didn't even work at all. Actually, sorry, folks. Oh man, my paint is all scratched up. Oh man, I am so upside down. Oh. I don't know, but why does it always have to be me that had to cause all of this? Well, you didn't do the crash. Oh yeah, I know whose fault was it. Why did I have to do this? I should have let Tycho's all mine and let Jackson Store crash right into me. Speaking of which, who won? Everyone, we have our winner. It's Luigi. What? The little tiny car? I cannot believe it. Beat stop. Hey, Guido, you know what? I think you should sing your song. No. Hit it to the beat, Guido. Yeah, Guido. Yeah, let's celebrate it. No!
2 weeks later.
Hey, Sheriff, what is it? Did you not notice about we were singing? Yeah, I will always remember I could sing. With your band music? Yup. Well, it's only for sure I'm going out, so I'll never be the judge again. See ya! Well, there's only one way to settle this up. And I already know what I'm gonna settle up.